Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome to Math with RG. Thank you so much for checking out this lesson today. Remember, it's going to be you and I, and we're going to conquer this. Are you ready? Here we go! Here we go. Okay, so you go to a school and you're selling tickets to a performance. The first day you sell 3 senior citizen tickets and 1 child ticket, and that total is $38. Okay, so we've got our 3 senior citizen and our 1 child. So notice I'm going through here and I'm picking out the key things that we need. All right, on the second day, we sold 3 senior citizen and we sold 2 child tickets for a total of $58. So the question is this: what is the price of a senior citizen ticket and what is the price of a child ticket? Okay, so how are we going to do this? Well, again, we're going to set up 2 equations. You guessed it. And we're going to use these key phrases, and we are going to label each thing. So we have senior citizen tickets, we have child tickets, and then we have the total amount of money. So quick hint, when you're dealing with systems of equations word problems, you're always going to have 2 different categories, okay? So we're going to have something plus something equals a total, whether it's money or maybe it's a total amount of items, something like that. And then again, you're going to have that something plus something equals a different total, right? A different total amount of money or a different total amount of something, some tangible object. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Off to the side here, we are going to say that senior equals X, and then child equals Y. Okay, so let's make our equations. So first day, 3 senior citizen tickets. Now again, I don't know how much the senior citizen ticket costs, but I know I sold 3. So if I sold 3 and they each cost X dollars, that means multiplication. So we are going to do 3X. All right, plus we sold 1 child ticket. So child ticket is Y, and if it's 1, we don't write 1Y, we just write Y. Because when I look at this, I know that there is 1Y. If there's more than 1Y, then I would put 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, etc. Okay, so now we set it equal to our total. And what was our total on the first day? $38. All right, there's our first equation. Remember, we are translating English into a math statement using math operations. All right, now we've got our second day and our second equation coming up. Here we go. So second day, I sold, or we sold, you know, we're all at the same high school. 3 senior citizen tickets. Again, but this time we've got 2 child tickets. So that would be 2 times Y. Okay, equals our total, which is $58. Okay, so now we ask ourselves that pivotal question. If I add these 2 equations together, will anything cancel? Well, let's see, 3x plus 3x, that's 6x. Nope. y plus 2y, that's 3y. Nope, nothing canceled. Okay, if I subtract these two equations, will anything cancel? Well, let's see. 3x minus 3x, that's 0. So yes, it will. Let's do it. Here we go. Parentheses, subtraction, line, 3x minus 3x, that's 0. Y minus 2y, that's negative y. And then 38 minus 58, that is negative 20. So if I have negative y equals negative 20, I know that y will equal positive 20. And that's because I'm dividing by negative 1 on both sides. Y equals positive 20. And you know what? We are going to put that into our purple. So you can see it. So y equals $20, because that is our child ticket per child. Okay. Now, since I know what y is, I can plug it in. So let's plug it in. We've got our 3x plus our $20 child ticket equals our $38 total, because that's coming from our first equation, 3x plus y equals 38. Remember, right up here, 3 seniors, 1 child, $38. Okay, so now we solve. Here we go. We have positive 20. So what do? I do the opposite. That would be subtraction by 20 on both sides. We're left with our 3x, because those cancel out, equals, what is 38 minus 20? That would be 18. And now we have 3x, which means 3 times x. And so we're going to do the opposite on both sides, which is divide by 3. Divide by 3. That cancels out. X equals $6. And that is for the senior. Okay, so first off, I want you to notice that I repeat a lot of things. That's very important. Why do I do that? And I encourage you at home to say it out loud as you're doing it. Repeat it after me. Why is that so important? Well, we've talked about this before if you've watched other videos. It is so important because when you say it out loud, as you're writing it down, your ears are hearing it. Your eyes are seeing it. Your muscle memory is picking it up in your hands. And you're building retention. Retainment. You're going to keep it forever. But you got to keep doing it over and over, saying it out loud so you can hear what's going on, because your hearing will pick up the mistake or the correct answer more often than your eyes will. Okay, so I encourage you to say it out loud, or if you're in a space where you can't speak out loud, then you say it in your mind. You can You understand what I'm saying? All right. So here we go. We're having a good time. Let's do this. So we've got a $20 child ticket, a $6 senior ticket. Now, I always encourage you to check your work, because remember, if you plug things back in, you will see right away whether it worked or it didn't work. That is the beauty of math. So let's do that really quick. Okay, so if I have 3 senior tickets at $6 each, plus 2 child tickets at $20 each. And that's supposed to equal 58. Well, let's see if it does. What is 3 times 6? So remember, we have addition and multiplication here. And we have to do the multiplication before the addition according to order of operations. And why is order of operations such a pivotal thing? It's because if we did not have order of operations, then, for example, I could do this problem a certain way, and you at home could do the same problem a different way. We would have different answers, and then we can't have different answers to the same problem. So we have to have an order so that everyone is doing it in the same order. And that is another beauty of math. All right, so we've got 3 times 6, because parentheses means multiplication. So we get 18 plus 2 times 20, that is 40, equals 58. What is 18 plus 40? Well, that is 58. 58 equals 58, and it checks out. Okay, so your final answer right here. Oh, bam. $20 child ticket, $6 senior ticket. Thank you all so much for watching this lesson today. This has been Math with RG. I'm Ryan, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.